Hello. Uh, Today I wanted to begin the level stitcher. That is the feature that takes all the levels in the game and stitches them together to form an overworld. Because until now we had individual levels loading one after another, or at random with special keys, but I want to have a more organic game. So the first task of this marathon will be to make levels individual objects in the game, because until today the game loads, let me show you, the game loads the current level as the game uses a node to attach all the elements of the level, the walls, etc. Like this one, for example. This wall is a child of the level node, and the crates as well, for example, this one, and so forth. All the pedestals also are child of this special node in the project. But I wanted to make a prefab, sort of prefab, with this node and attach it a script that can make the loading instead of all the logic in the player object, like until now we have this long script. It's all in the player node, but there is much logic here that is not correct to have it all in the same script, or at least not incorrect, but obviously not very easy to manage. So I will make a scene. Let's save it in this folder, and let's open it as a standalone scene. And let's attach a new script to this. Yeah. Let's give it a class name, and okay, let's add a function, load level, that receives a string, returns nothing. For now, string, sorry. Okay, now in the player script, we have a variable that is the current level. Let me search. Yeah, this current level is an exported variable in this of this object, and it's assigned manually before we have this assigned to the object. And this still works, but because the player is loading all the is making all the level loading and attaching all the prefabs, all the crates and elements of the level to the level object. In the remote view, we can see that this level still has all the options of the game. Okay. So now we have the load level function in the player. What's this? Yeah, okay, I know. In the player, we have the function that loads levels. Let's use all this logic. For now, we will. This will be tricky. Okay, all this function we will transplant. I don't know if it's the right word. To this function. Obviously nothing will work because of so many global parameters we have, but let's pass the let's pass the yeah, this will be data parameter, and we have to pass this data. Okay, let's see. All these calls are for the player. So these two transplant here. Sorry. Now, all these variables, walls, crates, etc., are property of the level, so we must move them from here. Let's see. Level index. Let's move walls, crates to the level script. And this is the logic of the player. States is of the level, because I want each level to have its own history of moves. Solutions is of the level. Position, shapes, it's also the level. This is a player, this is of the level. This is not necessary now because we are not removing yeah. Yeah, this is not necessary for now. Current solution is here. Okay, all these prefabs are a property of the level now. Prefabs, lava pedestal, yeah. Prefabs. Now, this is okay. This is the first part of the logic that depends on it doesn't have set a type. Yeah. Now it cannot infer the type like before. What's happened? End of statement. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now this is gone. All the reference to current level are not necessary. This is chart table, is constant, is also property level. This is a bit tedious, but I want to show it because it's part of Gamedev, the tedious the tedious jobs and tasks are sometimes necessary to all the initialization. I think these two I was using them for showing different solutions. This will be a bit tricky. Okay. Minimize. Yeah, all this logic is part of the level logic. So all these functions. Let's go here. Let's see another current level. Shapes. Another function. Canonical is here. Okay, we have no errors here, but still, let me see. So this is crates. Shapes. Perhaps this function. Yeah. There are several functions that are custom static shape. it no longer can infer the types because that is an annoying thing about Godot, that it's sometimes the typing of the different variables in different scripts is lost. But I know they are working on that, so let's not complain so too much. Okay, now solutions. Yeah, I migrate to the solutions. Yeah, this is a bit more tedious. Okay, now states is also of a level. This logic is reminiscent of the puzzle script logic, of the management of undo and reset. It's very elegant how Stephen Lavelle implemented it in puzzle script, and I always try to make resets undoable in all my games because it's a very good feature. Okay, now wars is from current level. Wars is from current level. Crates. Okay. Walls. What is this? Is a crate. Wow. Let's see. This will not work because we have not assigned the instances. Let me see. Yeah. We must assign the prefabs. This is crate. Crate prefab. Let me use the UI. Crate prefab sigil block. Okay. Wall, lava, pedestal or pedestal, I don't know what's the correct pronunciation. Entry, entry point. What else? Okay. We are not. We are missing something. Let's see. We are not calling the function. In load level. Yeah. No. Yeah, we are calling the function. Why is this? We are not adjusting the window, perhaps. Let's see. Level. Yeah, we are loading things. But what is happening here? Let me see if we we are not in the same. Yeah. Okay, in the main scene we have the player. We are yeah, we need to. This is weird because global position. This is a problem in the player. When this script with this logic was in the player object, this global position refers to the global position of the player. But now we need a reference to the player to update the player position. So I think we don't have a class name. I hope it doesn't collide with the. Okay. Now, in Godot, we can have a sort of we can find things, but I think in this case we will simply pass the parameter yeah, we will pass the parameter. So each time we load a level, we tell the level who is the player. It's a bit clunky, but it will work. Then we must assign. What happens here? There was already a p variable. Is the bad thing about short variable names is that they will collide eventually. Okay, let me see. Interesting. Yeah, we are adjusting the window only in the so function it should be called adjust camera because it adjusts the camera, not the window. Okay, adjust not declare. Ready. Adjust camera. Okay. Perfect. We are forgetting to remove the previous level. It's very funny. This is one of those bugs that are very good for showing. Okay, this is easy. I think when we load the level, sorry, this is here. We must remove. Let's see. We need to. We don't need this node here because now it's a scene. We need a pointer to the prefab, and we need to instantiate each time. Yes. So, sorry, did I delete the player? Yeah. Okay. Now this will be unassigned until we assign the why is it not sorry, this was, yeah, this need to be a packed scene, yeah. Now we can assign it. Okay. And each time, let me show you. Each time we try to load a level, we must create a new level object. We delete if it's not null, we delete it. Let me see. We were yeah, we need to call this function. Yeah, but we must okay. Level. This tells Godot that this object is no longer used, so it will free the memory and other resources of the node. I think this will delete also the children of the node, but I'm not sure. Let me grab this line, print the memory. Okay, now we must instantiate the current level and load level, etc. Child, yeah, add the child, because if we don't do that, we will not have any functionality. Okay, interesting. Why? Yeah, this is a problem with the positioning, I think. Let me see where the level is created. We are adding the level to the player. We must not do that. We must add the level to the parent of the player. Okay. Now there are other problems. Let's see. Create twin. This is correct. No. Yeah, we also need to call this the verb, I think, because this will add child after, I think this is calls the method in the third mode at the end of the current frame. Okay, can be passed. Yeah, I love it. So at the end of the frame we will add the child, and at the end of the frame we will let's see if it works. Yeah. Okay. So we, yeah, obviously we need to do this. Let's see. Nice. Okay, it's working. Perfect. Obviously, let's check if all the logic works. It's moving correctly. I can select the solutions. Nice. Okay, but obviously it's working exactly the same as before, but the big difference is in the internal state of affairs. Let me show. Now the level is a node. It's like every other node that I instantiate. Let's give it a name. Instantiate level, or let's call it level for now, because obviously in the future there will be many more levels. Now everything works like before, but the good thing about this is that now I could load different levels at different points. So let me see. By default, I think when we instantiate things, they will be at the origin, if I'm not mistaken. What is the... Okay, yeah, position 0, 0, 0. Nice. Now imagine if we could load more than one level. Keep that in mind, and that is what we will explore in the next video. So stay tuned, and as always, like the video and share it with people like you, with people that could click in this kind of videos. Thanks.